How to enable or disable press volume up to answer calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, we go down and tap on answering and ending calls. From here, we go down and tap on press volume up to answer calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So if you switch this on, you can answer call by pressing on the volume key. So let's try it out. I'm going to give myself a call. So I'll give myself a call now. Okay, so here's the incoming call. I can press on it and my phone will answer the call. And that's pretty cool, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.